Alright everybody, it's an update time. Chris is sweeping our mixing area. We've got posts cut and set. This is what we were working on the last, I don't know, hour and a half. Was getting all the measurements done, getting all the, we had to dig the holes out a little bit more on either side. Turn the camera so you can see there we've got one going up there and the other one is going up right, you can't really see it, but right there is going up in the corner. So these will be the central columns. Right now all we're doing today is we're concreting the bases so that we have these done and then they're set. That's level across the top. He did a really good job. So all we're doing right now is we've wire tied everything up there for the moment just so we have additional support. And once this is hardened down in here, this will help with any additional wind that comes in. You want to say hi or no?
Yes.
Are you sweating?
No yet.
No, because all you've done is the boom. She's going to be doing a lot of the mixing, so it's a trade-off. Anyway, stay tuned everybody. We'll have more updates as we continue this patio roof construction. And I still want to do, I don't think I'm going to do it today, but I still want to do my radius thing, which is going to start there and go in a radius like that over to the existing area right there, that block circuit, and then I'm going to tear that out. And then this will be a radius of concrete that's going to go in there. So we'll have a half moon, and all that will be filled in with concrete eventually, and that'll become the base of the outdoor kitchen with what we have. And then that will become new flower areas right over in there. Stay tuned.